This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 6, refrigerator, slide-out, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, awning, TV, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295RL is 8,902 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.